Hey guys, it's Emma the Creative Gem, back with another video, and this time I'm doing another room tour. This tour is going to be my summer room tour, which is going to show you what my room looks like now, and also the bedroom decor that I use. I'm also going to give you some more insight about what goes into when I'm preparing for a room tour, like cleaning and organizing all my stuff so it looks presentable. I'm going to show you what my bedroom looks like during the day and also during the night. This is my summer room tour 2020. Alright, here's some things that I do to prepare for my room tour. So here I am vacuuming my rug, shampooing it, and allowing it to dry before I started filming. This is my first time shampooing my rug, and the process is pretty easy. I pretty much just read the directions, filled up the shampoo with water and solution, and just cleaned my rug. Then I cleaned my mirrors to get rid of any fingerprints, and I also cleaned my tabletop because that was a little dirty too. Then finally, I need to organize my stuff. Like, I need to move that hair piece somewhere else. Put my succulent over there, move my table over here, and then put that there. Just a lot of stuff that I have to do to make it look presentable. So once I'm done organizing everything, cleaning, putting things where they need to go, straightening everything, and taking things out for the photos or videos, I am finally ready to film my room tour. And if you're wondering how long everything takes, realistically, it only takes about 10 minutes or 15 minutes to prepare my room. I vacuum it, then I just take some stuff out that I don't need in the videos, like my fan or just like my purse or whatever it is that I don't want in the video. But this room tour took a little bit longer to prepare for because I did shampoo my rugs, I vacuumed, and then I allowed like a day and a half drying time. But realistically, on a regular day, it'll take about 10 or 15 minutes to prepare. Alright, enough about that. It's time to dive into the video. My inspiration for the summer theme is the Summer 2018 cushion cover from IKEA. I love the bright and vibrant colors. It's very zesty and very positive and bubbly. I believe around this time or last year, this color scheme was very trendy. And that's why FiveBelow had a lot of home decor items that also matched, which I'm also going to get into very soon. But first, here's a little DIY that I did. It was super easy. I used flip-flops from the Dollar Tree, a picture frame from the As Is section of IKEA, and some leftover seashells. I glued everything together, put it back in the frame, and boom! Super, super easy DIY. Over here is my snack pile. It used to be over there, but now it's over here. I got some golden Oreos and some stuff to do some s'mores with. Here's a view of my bed and also the cushion covers from IKEA. This pillow in the front is another DIY that I did. I got the pillow from a thrift store and I used the belt that I had on hand, wrapped it around, and boom, had a really cute pillow. As you can see, I'm making notes of where I got my decor featured in this video. Keep in mind though, you won't be able to find the same decor as I did, but you can see what I used and how much it cost. Some of the decor items you may be able to find, but this is also can give you some inspiration and create your own look with what you have. And remember, if you can't find any of these items, just do your own spin on it, because my goal is to inspire design. I explained a little bit about my room, but I'm gonna let the decor do the talking. Ryan Little. Ryan Little. Okay, yeah, there's a lot of decor in this video, but I want to speak about this DIY that I did. I used pictures from a calendar from the dollar store, and the picture frames I already had on hand. I simply used one of the calendar pictures and put it inside the frame. Alright, so that pretty much concludes my summer room tour. But now I'm going to show you what it looks like at night. If you haven't noticed already, summer is my favorite time of the year. I put lights around my hutch, as you can see, to replicate like fireflies in the grass. And I put lights around my bed frame to also replicate fireflies flying around me. Like I'm outside listening to chill music and the fireflies are just flying around me. And you know, just life is good. It's like a total vibe right here, guys. A total vibe. Alright guys, that is my summer room tour 2020. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video and want to see more like this, please subscribe and hit that notification button. And if you didn't already, I do have another room tour video. It's my first room tour video. I will put a link in the description box. So until then, stay safe, stay home, and wash your hands. And also, wear your mask.